This visit symbolizes the confidence, the alignment that our global partners have around the vision of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his desire to transform Nigeria's health system to improve the health and well-being of Nigerians. The two visitors, three of them, have now committed almost $2 billion in grant financing for health of Nigerians over the next 3 years. That's a remarkable commitment, which shows they are confident on the vision of our president and the approach that we have now taken to deliver on that, along with state governments and local governments. And all Nigerians will need to put hands together so that we move the health sector forward as a basis for transforming our population to be very productive and to achieve the prosperity that
we are here to lend our support to the new administration in the fight against HIV, AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria. We have a strong partnership with the government of Nigeria in all three domains, especially in the area of HIV, AIDS, which I oversee. And over the last close to 20 years, we've invested about $7.8 billion in supporting your fight against HIV/AIDS. We want to assure the government of Nigeria that we will continue to work with them under their leadership as they chart a new direction for the health outcomes in the country. Last 20 years, we've invested that amount of money in Nigeria, and we are committing another $400 million this year, and subsequent year another $400 million, making a total of about $800 million over the next 2 years in supporting the HIV fight in Nigeria.